Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Priyanka and you are watching Miss Priyanka on YouTube. So today I will be creating a makeup look that is inspired from Sonam Kapoor's one of her Instagram makeup look that she recently wore for her movie promotion. So basically I selected that particular makeup look because it's more towards the Indian side, and she is wearing a beautiful Chand Bali, that is the earring. So I thought to give a trial and recreate this makeup look right here, and I think this makeup look is suitable for Indian festive look. If you are wearing something ethnic, this looks very elegant and classy at the same time. So in the picture, her skin looks like she has a very healthy skin which has pinkish tone into it, which means the glow that is going all over her face is more towards the pinkish side, like a baby skin finish. So to achieve that similar look, we're going to use the foundation which has pink undertone, or maybe I'll show you how I'm going to do my base. So to start, I have already moisturized my face. I have nothing on it, and I'm going to be wearing Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect as a primer. So generally I don't prefer primer for foundation because most of these foundations stays on place for 6 to 7 hours. Any foundation, for example, if you take for Maybelline one, the reason why I selected only this primer because this has pinkish tint in it, which will help us to achieve that kind of pinkish glow. I will show you the texture of the primer and apply it on my face so that you can see the effect. So this is how the primer looks. As you can see, a slight pinkish tint on my cheeks. I have blended the primer, and it also blurs certain imperfection on your face and clogs the pore. So I'm done with the primer. You can see how it looks on my skin, and then I will apply lip balm. This is Wadi Herbal Lip Balm. So now I will show you the easiest way how you can do your foundation that looks natural, and also after that I will show you how you can achieve that pinkish glow in your foundation. I will be using this Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation, and it's in the light shade. So I like to warm the product on the back of my hand, and then I will apply it only to the center part of my face. So this foundation is 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin, and I'm wearing it only to the center part of my face. I'm not wearing it to the outer circle of my face. Under my eyes. So I just applied the foundation here on my forehead, on my nose, this area, and my under eyes. I did not apply light foundation on the sides of my face. There I will apply deep shade foundation that is deeper, 2 to 3 shades deeper than my skin. So for that I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this foundation is deeper than my skin, as you can see. I'll blend this foundation only to the outer part of my face like this. What it will do, it will just create a very natural shadow on my face, and my face will look much slimmer and natural. It will look like healthy glow going on from here to the sides, and it will look like it will just give a very natural finish to my face. So after you blend this foundation, it won't look too dark, it just looks very natural, as you can see here. I am done with the foundation, and next step is to add pinkish glow to your base. And how we will achieve that? It's very easy and simple. You can select a concealer which has pink undertone into it. For example, I have these two concealer which has pinkish undertone into it. This is NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and it's in the shade CW03, or either you can go for LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the shade Classic Ivory. So these are the two shades which has pink undertone into it. Generally the concealer comes with yellow undertone or pink undertone, so I selected the pink one, and so I will take this one and I will highlight my face like this. So can you see the pinkish tone under my chin after blending the concealer? Likewise, I will blend it. Next, I will set the concealer immediately after applying it with some compact. You can use any pressed compact for yourself. I like to quickly set the smile lines and sides of my nose. These are the areas which tends to crease very quickly, so it's very important to set these things. Right under your lips. So next I will start with the eye makeup, and what I have noticed in her eye makeup, that the upper eyelid she has a very natural pink eyeshadow which does not have any shimmer in it, lots of shimmer. And for the lower lash line she is wearing maroonish pinkish smudged, she has the lower lash line like in the picture you can see, and she's also wearing a black winged eyeliner which I'm going to be creating and showing you in this video. So now let's start with the eye makeup. So firstly I will define my crease, and I'm going to use this brown color eyeshadow and its matte finish. I will place it right above my natural crease like you can see. And next I will take a lighter shade eyeshadow, and this is a brown shade which has pink undertone into it, this one. I will wear this eyeshadow over the brown one like so. It will just add a pink warmth into my eyelid, and my face, my eyes, everything will look healthy because of that pink tint in it. So that's why I did matte pink eyeshadow. I'll take the brown color eyeshadow and I will place it to the outer corner very lightly, lower lash line. This will add some depth and make my eyes look bigger, and a little bit smokiness will be added. Can you see this? Okay, so next I will take a deep brown shade and I will just define my natural crease once more, and for that I'm going to take this pencil tip brush, and I'm going to go with this brown color. I'm just following my natural crease. Next I will blend everything once more. Once I'm happy with the blending part, next I will work on my eyelid, and for that I'm going to use this Maybelline Blushed Nude eyeshadow palette. It has all the tone of nude and pink in it, so I think this shade is matching with Sonam Kapoor's eyeshadow. So gonna mix these two skin-like shade. This is more of a skin-like shade and this is like bright pink color. So I'm gonna mix both of these two and apply it on my eyelid. And using my fingers I'm applying it. So in next step I will wear a maroon eyeshadow to the lower lash line, and I will wear it only to the outer half section of my lower lash line like Sonam Kapoor. Likewise I'll place the color. and it's in maroon color, so I will bring it a little bit upside like a wings. So this is the main part of your eye makeup. It will take your eye makeup to the next level and make you look more stylish and from good to very good. Same thing I will do to the other eye. Okay, next I will take the same pink eyeshadow and put it to the inner corner, and I will extend it so that it just joins with the maroon one, like you can see here. So guys, that's how my eye makeup look, and now it's time for winged eyeliner, and the eyeliner she's wearing is very matte. I will wear this Lakme Insta eyeliner for this. So try to create a little thick liner because it seems like she has thick eyeliner, not too bold, but. And now I'm creating the wing. I'm just trying to match both the wings. So I will fill my eyebrows with brown color gel eyeliner. Sonam Kapoor has very thick eyebrows, so I'm going to create that one. Firstly, I'll shape my eyebrows and then I will fill in. Now I'll comb my eyebrows. Likewise, I'll do my other eyebrow. So I did the eyebrows, I did it little thick like Sonam Kapoor, and next I will highlight my brow bone with matte finish eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this matte eyeshadow. This will just give a natural highlight and lift to your eyebrows. You can do this in your daily makeup. It looks very natural. So I'm done with the eye makeup. Only eyelashes is left. I will dust off any fallouts of eyeshadow from my face. So after the eye makeup, it seems my foundation and the base is already set. It's got melted and blended into my skin. But now I feel like I want to add a little bit warmth, and I just want to add some bronzer to the look. So for that I will be using Sephora contouring palette, and you can use any bronzers that you have. I'll mix this two shade and very naturally and very lightly I'll blend it to the areas where I use the deep foundation, like so, only to the outer part of my face. So this will create a nice lift to my face, and it looks beautiful in photographs, like there is certain dimension added to your face which looks very youthful and photogenic. So next I will just sharpen my nose a little bit using the same brown eyeshadow contour palette from Sephora. So next I will wear lipstick, and Sonam Kapoor, she is wearing a very beautiful nude lipstick. So I'm gonna wear the similar shade from Maybelline Color Show range, and it's in the shade M304, beautiful nude color. Since the this is a creamy lipstick, so if you want it to be long lasting and not blend here and there, it's always good to wear a lip liner. So I'm wearing this NYX lip liner and outlining my lips. So before I wear blush, meanwhile I'll just add glue to my eyelashes that I'll be wearing after. Next I will wear the blush, and Sonam Kapoor, she is wearing a nude color blush that is matching with her lip color. So I have the Sephora makeup palette and I have few blushes in it. So I think I'm going to be mixing these two shades. Both are in matte. One is nude color and one is deeper to that nude pink. So I'm going to be mixing both the blushes and applying it on my face, on my cheeks of course. I will also wear it a little bit on my nose. It looks natural and lights. So in the picture it seems that she is not wearing too much highlighter. The base looks very natural, not too much glittery or something, very natural and subtle it looks. So to achieve the similar look, I'm going to wear the same eyeshadow that I applied on my eyelid. I'll take just with the help of my finger like this. On the bridge of my nose. And now I will apply the mascara and false eyelashes. So I am back and this is the final look. I just added the false eyelashes. I didn't went for very dramatic lashes because she has something very natural. And then I did this bun that is like Sonam Kapoor. Let me know how this looks on me. And next, I'm super excited to wear my new earring, and this is called as Chand Bali. So this earring I have recently purchased from Flipkart for 499 rupees on discount, and I must tell you guys that currently this earring is more into the trend. Nowadays, like a lot of Bollywood actresses, they prefer to wear this kind of Chand Bali earring. So guys, let me know how it looks on me. I tried wearing the similar color of, I'm wearing top, but she's wearing a nice red kurti. So to match the look. So guys, this is my final look of Sonam Kapoor Instagram inspired makeup look. You can just wear it for wedding parties. So yeah, that's all about the whole look. And I always try to show you my before and after look, and in between I try to explain each and every single step that I did to create the makeup look and the concept behind the makeup, the shades that really matters to achieve any kind of makeup look, and selecting right shade is always very important in order to achieve the similar look and break down any kind of makeup look by your own. And yeah, that's it. I wanted to share just my ideas, and whatever I know about makeup, I always like to share it with you guys very frankly. If you haven't subscribed my channel already, then please do subscribe. Switch on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any kind of new videos. And if you want to stay connected, you can also follow me on my Instagram. So do check out my Insta and follow me there. And yes guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.